this is the deck right now, and over here I have my herbs, oregano, and sage. I got the rue over here, and dill, although only one has sprouted. Some more sage, Thai basil, parsley, and sweet basil. Over here is my Cebu blue pothos, one that I'm propagating. And here is the mother plant, my Monstera Deliciosa, Primrose that I also grew from seed, but somehow this doesn't look like Primrose, but whatever, we'll see what happens when it flowers. And a spider plant, Bonnie, that's also gotten real big, and I can't wait for this to grow baby pups. And on this side I have some Kalanchoe, Pilea Pepermoides, Philodendron Brasil that I'm propagating in water, a Succulent, Peperomia Ruby Cascade, and Discidia. I watered my neon pothos yesterday, so I'm letting it dry out here for now. And I have two citrus plants here. These are Calamansi. They suffered over the winter, but now they're bounced back. Like this one has a lot of fruits already, and this one has been flowering like crazy, but it still needs to grow a lot of the leaves back. And that one is a mango that I grew from seed. And I have some chamomile that I'm trying to grow from seed. See there? Yeah, so it's starting to come out. And over here in the seeding area I have my pineapple, which I grew from a store-bought pineapple. It's a year old now. And over here is my Fittonia, and this is a hibiscus plant. And on this section I have my eucalyptus plant. I got this from H Street Garden. It's actually two plants in one pot, and it grows so fast, and I probably have to upgrade this into a larger pot real soon. And over here is my aloe vera. It's ailing right now, but it's starting to bounce back. As you can see, there are several new growths popping in. I think it just got overwatered one time, but yeah. And we got some like a couple of evergreens. And over here is the Hoya Crimson Princess. It's also not doing quite hot right now. It's when I watered my Hoya Crimson, I saw just this part dried out and everything else was good. For some reason this wasn't getting water in the planter that it was in. I took it out. It's not propagated. And over here is some Philodendron Brasil that I propagated and planted in here, and hopefully soon both of them would trail down. And over here are roses and tomato. This one has started to flower as well. I tried to put a basil over there because tomatoes and basils are good companion plants, but I don't think that's how it's supposed to be set up, but whatever. So that's the deck, and this is the patio. So over here we have these flowers. I'm not really sure what kind they are. And over here is the Swiss chard. I had it at front of the house, but it's starting to bolt, so I move it back here. Over here is my Tomatophyllum bifidum. I brought it outside. I'll see how it do over here over the summer. And over here is a bit backlit. I don't know if you could see, but here I have my OG Mandrula Pothos. And here I have my Scindapsus Exotica that I'm trying to grow up in this moss bowl. And over here is a Schefflera, I believe. I'm not really sure. It's not my plant. And over here is my marble green pothos. This one suffered root rot again, and I had to repot it, but it should be fine. Hopefully it gets better. Here, I don't know if you could see, this is my Philodendron Brasil, and this is my Scindapsus Exotica, my OG one. This is what's left of it. I don't really know what happened to it. It didn't have root rot. It was just like yellowing really bad, but I tried to cut off the good ones and propagate it, and this is what's left. And I bought a new Scindapsus Argyreus anyways, and it's now in my room. And right over here is golden pothos. This used to be in the other room that's north facing. Now it's back here, and I'm hoping this grows really long, and hopefully be able to vine it over here and all the way throughout here. And over here I have Mandrula Pothos directly propagating in soil, a coco coir mix. So I don't think everything is going to survive, but hopefully a lot of them would. Direct soil propagation can be tricky, so I'm just trying to keep it as moist as possible. And it's in a cash pot that doesn't have holes in it, so I'm probably going to put a water reservoir in it while this tries to grow roots. And over here is the spider plant that is in this creepy children fountain, but it's not in the water. It has a container in it, so it doesn't sit in water. But yeah, over here is my Philodendron Brasil, and this is a Monstera Deliciosa that I propagated off the mother plant. So hopefully that gets big and it would look pretty. Together with this, I might repot them together, not sure yet. So yeah, that is the plants that's currently located in our patio.